Hey everyone, thanks for jumping here back again. Today we're going to be talking about our beloved Cardano and we're going to be looking at the price action. So if you guys like the content, please subscribe to the channel and leave the video a thumbs up. Let's get into this one. Now I know we have been through this downtrend for a while now and it's starting to get hard to stomach out the price action with ADA when other cryptocurrencies have already pumped up. Now if we look at the monthly chart, ADA has been in the red for about 3 months or so. September was red, October was red, and now we are in November. We are getting close to December and it's still in the red. And I assume it's gonna be red even in November. But if you're already nervous about ADA not performing well in comparison to other altcoins and you want to sell your bag for something else, then nobody will hold you up. If you keep running, chasing the pumps, then you won't make profit on the macro scale. I'm not telling you to hold ADA either whatsoever. I'm not an ADA fanboy myself, but again, if you keep jumping from one coin to another, you won't make it. Now, if you look at the weekly chart, we can see that we definitely have a decent support at 1.8 US dollars, which is our current price. If we ever drop below it, and keep in mind, I'm not saying that we're gonna drop below it, but in case we drop below our 1.8 US dollar mark and we have a close, then the next level to look out for is at around 1.5 US dollars, which is basically a 17% drop from our current price. So the smart contracts with ADA aren't working for the current time to build projects on them. We first ran into them back here and the price rose up. The hype ended and the price retraced, which is totally normal. Now, one thing we always say is that you can make money in a bull market. Even your 12-year-old kid can jump into some weird dog coin and make a 2 to 3x or even a 4x. But real wealth is made when everybody is fearful, when the price is going down and when your cousin or whoever is telling you that Cardano is going to zero because his favorite YouTuber said Cardano is a scam or whatever. That's where you should be putting your money on. Now, in my opinion, this is the reaccumulation phase of a lifetime for those that missed on Cardano. Back in the days, for those that missed on Cardano when it was here at a few cents. And I know comparing the price action here to what we have here is different. Yeah, I get it. But for those that missed on this pump, now is the time to get back into Cardano. Cardano between 1.5 and 1.9 US dollars is still. Now, if we look at the weekly RSI, this is our weekly RSI, we can also see that we have a strong support here. Whenever we get to it, we bounce back. For example, back here, the price has increased by 80%. We bounce back here, we bounce back here again. The price increased by 100% in a couple of weeks. Same thing back here. So this was an insane move of 2,800%, which is a 29x. And we had another one here. So now this is a level to look out for. If we bounce back, then things are perfect, which is the good scenario for ADA. We'll bounce back and ADA will have another run, another milestone. If we don't, then we should look for our 1.5 US dollar mark as the next support. Another important thing is the KDG. This is another free indicator that you can find. For the time being, we still have downward pressure on the weekly, but this can change anytime. What we need to have here in order for us to say that Cardano is getting healthy again, Cardano is bullish again, is the black line needs to get above this white line, the level of 20, with the blue line crossing the orange line and going above it. We need something similar to this. The black line going above the level of 20 and the blue line crossing the orange line going above it. If you get a confirmation and you bounce back here and we get a cross here, then things are looking perfect. If we don't, we gotta look out for our next level, which is at around 1.5 US dollars. So this was about it, guys. Keep in mind, bull markets have their times, bearish trends have also their times. So we'll keep an eye on this one. It's normal. We had an uptrend here and then a retracement, a pullback. It's totally normal. If you guys like the content, please subscribe to the channel, share the video and like it. I'll see you on the next one.